So when you're a leader planning a long-term initiative, some important things to consider are the context of where that initiative will occur. So for example, if we take this garden behind me, and it could take a lot of planning to have initiatives that are self-sustaining, or at least mostly self-sustaining and less resource intensive, yet produce incredible results. So let's look at this garden as a metaphor. What we have here is a garden that was planned to have little water needs. We picked out these types of plants so that it doesn't have to pipe in water from other parts of the bay, or at least very little water. Other things that are in consideration is that have diversity of different species of plants that coming together in their diversity support one another. Think about that as your team, having diverse teams, having things that coexist synergistically, and also that diversity makes you more resistant to outside threats. If this was all one type of plant that was here, and they had a predator that came in, they could wipe out the entire garden. But with this diversity, some things might suffer, but other things might thrive. There might be certain root systems here that are nurturing each other. And also you think about the context, the larger context in which your organization is. Like for the resources beyond your company, where are you going to bring in talent? Are you planting your organization in a place where that talent is readily accessible? Are you thinking about how the community will receive the products and services where your business is based? Are you thinking about how your role in that, if you design it well from the beginning, it's still going to take some nurturing. There's still some irrigation happening here. There's still some checking in by the gardener, the leader, if you will. But because it was planned so well to go really well fitting into the ecosystem from the beginning, it takes less maintenance, less resource intensive, and then the benefits, the profits, the outcomes are maximized because that planning was done so well in the beginning with the diversity, the sustainability, the synergistic relationships, the access to resources. There's a key leadership lesson when you're planning those long-term initiatives.